Welcome viewers, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are dyeing a handmade crochet handbag. Crocheting a handmade purse is a delightful and creative endeavor that allows individuals to express their unique styles. With just a hook, seam yarn and a bit of patience, you can fashion a charming accessory that reflects your personality. To start, choose your favorite yarn colors to infuse the purse with your desired aesthetic. The rhythmic motion of crochet stitches, like the basic chain and single crochet, forms the foundation of your purse. These simple techniques, combined with a variety of stitches, create texture and visual appeal. Experiment with different crochet patterns to add character to your purse. You can incorporate lace-like stitches for a feminine touch or opt for dense stitches to make a sturdy and functional bag. The choice is yours, allowing for endless possibilities in designs. As your purse takes shape, consider adding a lining for durability and a professional finish. Personalize it further by adding a beads or a zipper closer. These details not only enhance functionality but also showcase your attention to detail. Crocheting a purse is a gratifying experience that yields one of a kind accessory. Handmade purses make heartfelt gifts and can even be sold as unique pieces of wearable art. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced, embrace the calming rhythm of crochet and relish the sense. Thank you so much for watching.